In this video, I'll show you a basic strategy to trade binary options in pocket option. And we'll also talk about a minor mistake that most of the binary options traders do, due to which they fail while trading binary options. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. So without doing any delay, let's get started. So first thing, let's discuss about why most people fail while trading binary options. See, when trading binary options, we use some strategy. Okay, now no matter whichever strategy you use or whichever indicator you use, it doesn't work for the 100% of the time. Okay, there are time, okay, someday that strategy or those indicator will work, and in some days it will not work. Okay, so before trading in real market, what you need to do is, whatever strategy you are using, okay, firstly test that strategy in your demo account. And if you are getting multiple trades right, okay, while you are trading on demo account, then only use that exact strategy in your real account, okay, for few time, okay, and see if it is bringing you positive result. And if it is bringing positive result for you, then keep on using that strategy for a while and make some profit, okay, and stop trading for that day. Most people don't do this thing. Okay, most people think that their strategy work 24 hours a day, and it doesn't happen. Okay, whatever strategy you will have, it will not work for the 24 hours a day. Okay, someday it may work, but someday it will not work. Okay, so it is important to test that strategy firstly in the demo account and then in your real account. So now let's get into our strategy. Okay, and before continuing, please do like this video. Okay, it means a lot to me and it will help me a lot. Okay, so now this strategy is extremely simple. What I would suggest you to do is, you don't make trade in OTC market by using this strategy. Okay, you need to use in this real market, okay, which are mentioned in this format, like EuroCAD, no OTC at here. Okay, so at current time it is real market is off. Okay, that's why I cannot show you in the real market, but I'll show you in the OTC market. So what you need to do is, once you see the real market at here, then make all of this favorite. Okay, so whenever you make this kind of star yellow, then you will see this, your market will be shown at here. Okay, this currency pair will be shown at here, and it will be easy for you to switch to this currency pair in this way. Okay, so quickly make the currency pair, all the currency pair favorite, whichever currency pair you want to make trade on. Okay, whichever has higher amount of payout, just make all of those favorites in this way. Okay, now another thing is candles. So what time frame you want to make trade on? If you want to make trade on 1 minute, you can select 1 minute candle. Okay, if you want to make trade on 5 second time frame, you can select 5 second time frame. Okay, so what I will do is, I will select 5 second time frame for now, and in this time just make it S5. Okay, so it means the trading duration will be of 5 second. So it will make your candle 5 second. Okay, and it will make your trading time frame 5 second, and then decide the amount that you want to invest at here. Okay, now once you do this much, then you don't need any indicator you don't need at here. Okay, so what you need to do is, whenever there is a trending market, for example, let's see in any other year, so I call it a 4 candle strategy. Okay, so whenever there are 4 candle in same direction, okay, so like for example at here 1 2 3 4. Okay, if 4 candles are in same direction, then trade in that direction in 5th candle. Okay, so 4 candles are green, whenever this candle appears, make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so let's see on, so here you can see 3 candles are becoming red. Okay, let's wait. 4 candles are becoming red, no, this became green, so you avoid making trade. Okay, so let's see in any other. So here you can see 4 are red, 1 2 3 4 are red. Okay, and here you can make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, but it already have happened here, this candle have already formed, so it is worthless to make trade at here. So let's see in any other currency, like 1 2 3 4, then in 5th candle you may trade by clicking on higher. So okay, let's see in any other currency pair. So here is also no any. Seems like here we are going to get 4 candles, so make trade in by clicking on higher in fifth candle. But here you made, here it was wrong. Okay, no problem. We do face this kind of thing, so let's wait for now. Let me show you in another. So like 1 2 3 4 and fifth was green. Okay, so let me see. So like here also 1 2 3 4 and fifth was green. Okay, 3 candles are trying to become red. If fourth candle is red, then we can trade. Whenever 1 second is remaining, we can make trade by clicking on lower. But it failed a little bit down, but let's see. So again made a mistake at here also. So it seems like at this time in OTC market this strategy is not working, so it is better to not use this strategy at the OTC market. But if it is, so here are 3 candles are forming red. So let's see in fourth candle is also red, then we'll make a trade by clicking on lower in fifth. No, it is green, so we need to stop. We don't need to trade. So now I'll increase the investment amount. So 2 candles are red, 3 candles are red. So if fourth is also red, then we need to think. So it is green, so we need to avoid it. So let me show you 1 2 3 4. Fifth candle was green, but let's make a trade at here in green and see what happens. Seems like we made a profit at here. Okay, you can test this thing like after 2 candles you can make trade on third candle. After 5 candle you can make trade on sixth candle. Okay, but there should be a uniformity. Okay, so by my testing, okay, I see that after 4 candle, fifth candle, okay, if you trade on fifth candle, if 4 candles are green and if you make a trade by clicking on higher on fifth candle, then obviously you are going to make profit. Okay, so 4 candle are red, so let's, no, 3 candles are only red, so avoid this making trade on here. So let's see if there are any other place where you can make trade. So 3 candles are red, 4 candles candle is also going to be red, so make trade by clicking on lower in fifth candle and see we have made a profit at here now. See $276. So okay guys, so in this way firstly you test this strategy properly in your demo account. Okay, and then if it is working, then immediately implement it in your real account for some while. Okay, and make some profit quickly. Okay, keep on investing same amount. So for example, if you are investing $10 in one trade, keep on making investing $10. Okay, if you are if you have made some loss, 2 3 loss, okay, then you can increase that amount to $30. Okay, to cover that loss. And if you still make the loss, then stop trading for that day and wait for next day and test that this strategy again in your demo account. And if that is working in your demo account at the time you are making trade, then again quickly come back to real account and start to make trade. And I would suggest you to watch my other strategies videos, okay, that are related to 5 second trading, binary options trading in pocket option. You can watch those also and implement all of the strategies while you are trying to make trade in real account, and firstly test those strategy in your demo account before implementing it in your real account. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.